10 Proven Fitness Secrets for Beginners to Transform Your Body. Secret number 1. Set realistic goals. Setting goals that are achievable and realistic is crucial for beginners. Don't expect to become a fitness model in a week or two. Start with small and achievable goals, and as you progress, you can set bigger goals. Secret number 2. Find an exercise buddy. Having a workout partner can keep you motivated, accountable, and make exercising more fun. Look for someone who has similar fitness goals as you. Secret number 3. Focus on proper form. Proper form is essential when working out to prevent injuries and ensure you are targeting the right muscles. Take time to learn the correct form for each exercise you do. Secret number 4. Start slow. Starting slow is key to building a solid fitness foundation. Begin with a low-intensity workout, then gradually increase the intensity and duration of your workouts. Secret number 5. Create a workout plan. A workout plan helps you stay on track and ensures you are incorporating all aspects of fitness, including strength training, cardio, and flexibility. Plan your workouts for the week and stick to them. Secret number 6. Stay hydrated. Drinking enough water is vital for your body to function correctly, especially during workouts. Make sure you drink enough water before, during, and after your workout. Secret number 7. Get enough rest. Rest is crucial for muscle recovery and overall well-being. Make sure to get enough sleep each night and take rest days to prevent injury and burnout. Secret number 8. Fuel your body with proper nutrition. Eating a balanced and healthy diet is crucial to fuel your workouts and promote overall health. Focus on whole foods and avoid processed and sugary foods. Secret number 9. Be consistent. Consistency is key when it comes to fitness. Make exercise a regular part of your routine, and don't let setbacks discourage you. Consistent effort will lead to progress. Secret number 10. Celebrate your progress. Celebrate small victories and milestones along the way. This will help keep you motivated and give you the confidence to keep going. Like and subscribe,